representing the Ifugao Builders, Lawrence Acanda and of course, watching with us is the superintendent of Larry Green. Giving support to the boxers. Campaigning for their first gold medal, while Bago is going to their second gold medal.
Pogo. Wala. Katabihan ka mo tingin ko.
Oh, Bagyo! Experience per round.
Bakit na yan? Sapa? Bakit na yan? Ulit. Nice one, baby!
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Body ulit! Kukot na! Kukot na yan! Kukot na! Sapa, body ulit! Body! Let's work, baby!
4, 5, 6, 7.
Let's not forget that Ifugao Builder fighter is the best fighter yesterday, giving us the best of the technique. And now, as a result of both numbers today, winner by RSC in 2 minutes of the very first round from the red corner, Francis Harenso of Baguio City. Congratulations, earning the second gold medal of Baguio City and Ifugao for their first silver medal. Congratulations.